For the past 8 years, Google Cloud's DevOps Research and Assessment team, which is also called as DORA, has published the Accelerate State of DevOps report. With input from over 33,000 professionals across the globe, the annual report provides an independent view into the practices and capabilities that organizations, irrespective of their size, industry, and region, can employ to drive better performance of their DevOps practices. It is also the largest and longest running research of its kind. Just yesterday, DORA team has initiated this year's survey, and you can participate in it for free and give your inputs about the DevOps state. I will also put the link of latest survey in the video's description so that you can go and attempt. And GCP really depends on you to take the survey, because the more respondents and vantage points are incorporated into the data, the more valid, robust, precise, and useful the findings will be. It will also help you to look at the DevOps from the different perspective. Just for your interest, in this video, I'm also going to present you the results of the last 4 years. As you can see, the last year's report took a deep dive into security. One notable finding was that the biggest predictor of an organization's software security practice is cultural, not technical. More specifically, high trust, low blame cultures are defined by Westrum focused on performance were significantly more likely to adopt emerging security practices. But perhaps the most surprising finding was that the organization's overall DevOps capabilities dropped off substantially. Every year, DORA evaluate teams against four key software delivery metrics: deployment frequency, lead time for changes, time to restore, and change fail rate. The results tend to cluster into four groups: low, medium, high, and elite performance. But in 2022 report, there was no elite cluster in the data. What could be the reason? Well, Google also doesn't know, but the hypothesis is that the pandemic may have hampered teams' ability to share knowledge, collaborate, and innovate, contributing to a decrease in the number of high performance and increase in the number of low performance. And this one good thing is that this report is not only available in English but also in various other languages. So I hope that this was useful. Again, I will put the link to this year's survey in the video's description, and I would suggest that if you are working in DevOps, it will really help to take this survey for not only you but also Google. Thank you.